If you don't come, and if you don't come with me, then you're damned to go get.
Here we go.
Then you just cross the street whenever you want, huh?
I was just walking across.
Jaywalking isn't looked too kindly in these parts, jackrabbit.
Jaywalking?
Shut up, you filth! Or you'll get a taste of gun justice. Let's go, Perp. Get up.
Same for downtown.
This one smells good.
Oh, this one smells good. It smells like a summer breeze. Oh, did you pay rent for this month? We got a ringer. What? We got a ringer. What? Do you have to go to the bathroom? We got a ringer. We got a ringer.
Excuse me, sir? Sir?
Sir, let's go.
Stop, please!
Damn it! Damn it! This guy's good.
We're gonna need some help on this one.
Yeah. Let's go.
Ah, well. This is my two favorite dicks. Hello, boys. Come on in.
Hey, Sam. Samantha.
Oh, damn. We're not dicks, Samantha. We're detectives. Oh, crap.
Dicks, detectives. As long as you have a gun, I don't care.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you like that boy? Oh, fuck yeah.
So, to what do I owe this great pleasure?
Play a little cat and mouse with a thug in downtown SM.
Yeah, a real cocksucker.
Anyways, we got some pictures of him from a surveillance camera.
What was the transgression?
411. Spotted him in progress.
Lifting, ooh.
What do you think? Look familiar?
I'd know that pretty face anywhere. His name is George Washington. He's part of Danelo's gang. We did time together in Sing Sing.
I thought Danelo's gang broke up after the helium bust in '98.
Apparently they're back together. Word is they're preparing for something big, and it goes all the way to the top.
Arnold Drummond? Holy crap, he's back?
Action on the street's been slow lately. Small-timers trying to scam with Hollywoods.
Hollywoods?
Fakes. Lookalikes. Copycats.
Drummond must have the inside on a sure thing.
Maybe. Look, I'm gonna warn you boys, because I like you. You especially. You get into bed with Drummond, you're getting into bed with a very dangerous man. A very dangerous man with a large penis.
Right. Great.
Okay.
Thanks, Samantha.
Anytime, gentlemen.
Where you been, Georgie?
Nowhere. I ran into a little heat.
Oh, heat.
Yeah, these two dicks were scoping out the place. They were sniffing detergents as a cover.
Sniffing detergents.
Detergents. They gave me a bit of a chase, but I lost them. No problem.
George,
Mr. D.
would you mind giving me the item, please?
Sure.
Thank you, George.
Yes, sir.
Damn! Oh, I love these hot tamales. They're so, tasty. Now, these, two detectives. Have you seen them before?
No.
Good. The chances are they weren't looking for lifters anyway. In my experience, LAPD's only strong suit is, handing out parking tickets.
Are we still doing the job, Mr. D?
Oh, yes, Mr. Danilo. We most certainly are.
Oh, this is big, Reg. I mean, this is big.
Tell me something I don't know, compadre. If we make this bust, we'll be kings of the department. The force!
Okay, so where do we start?
Simple. Remember the old saying, he who steals one day will come again and steal another day?
I don't think I've ever heard that. In fact, I don't think that's a saying at all.
Well, what I'm trying to say is he'll be back.
Yeah, but don't you think he'll be suspicious? I mean, we chased him out of there earlier.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. He knows what we look like.
You think so, huh?
Yeah, I know so. Because we chased him earlier. Me and you. Are you, trying to hint at something?
Am I?
I don't know, are you?
Well then.